This Bloody Beet Hummus is creepy, creamy, and perfect for our Halloween spread. Let's make it if you dare. So to start out, I have some of these beets. Now, I just got some canned beets. They're gonna be easier to work with, and I'm gonna roast them off with a little bit of oil and some garlic. Just gonna spread around the oil. Okay, I'm gonna add the beets. All right, so just spreading the beets out to one layer. I'm gonna take the oil, I'm gonna take the garlic, put the garlic right on here as well. It's gonna go in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna get some salt, some oil, some chickpeas. I'm gonna add some lemon juice, so I'm just loosening up the actual lemon juice itself. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this in half. I'm just gonna squeeze out the lemon juice. And we're looking for about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we need about a quarter cup of tahini paste. I have all the ingredients all prepped up. Now I'm just gonna add them to a blender, and I'm gonna blend it in a blender until it is creamy blood red, just like it was made from a vampire's kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the chickpeas, salt, lemon juice, oil, and the tahini paste. Okay, so now we're gonna add the garlic and these roasted beets. And now it is time to blend this up. All right, and there we go. Our hummus is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and try it out. So there we go. We have some Bloody Beet Hummus. It's time to try it out. That's delicious. You get the earthiness from the roasted beets. You get that roasted garlic coming through. It's delicious. This is a great hummus. Great to serve in a Halloween party. And it was super simple to make. The only part that took some time was roasting the garlic and the beets, but otherwise it was super simple and fast. Make sure you follow along for 31 days of Halloween, because you never know. Tomorrow's treat might just bite back. I'm your friend with Food Benefits. I'll see you again real soon.